What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka T Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And as you can tell, we're here at Speedzone at a car meet. I'm about to get out the car. We just came from Daytona, big fail meet. Link in the description below for that. But yeah, so we're here right after that, straight to Speedzone. It was raining pretty hard, but it's letting up now. So about to get out, go take a look at some of the cars. All the judging and everything's already over. But yeah, we'll go ahead and take a look and see what they got. All right, stay tuned. All right, so we just got here. Some people was rolling out, but excuse if the lens keep fogging up here. This humidity. Welcome to Florida. Over here, one of my favorites. These didn't have these lights on the front last time. That's clean. Team Lenzo. Too exclusive. We got some GTRs and stuff over here. Come take a look at this. So clean. Top secret. Oh, okay. Yeah. Have to keep defogging the lens. But we got quite a few cars. What's up? How you doing? I'm told we missed quite a few cars as well, but still pretty good turnout, even for it raining and everything. Oh man, he leaving.